Bluey tiptoed into the backyard. A sparkling light hovered above the flowers. Could it be magic? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "Bluey, what's that glowing thing?" Bluey's ears perked up. Could this be the start of an adventure? Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom followed quietly. Bluey nodded determinedly. The light floated higher. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it lead somewhere special?" They chased the light. Over the grass. Around the fountain. Bluey's paws barely touched the ground. Could they reach it in time? Suddenly, a tiny hidden door appeared under the oak tree. Bluey's heart raced. She whispered, "We must go inside." She opened the door. A tunnel of glowing colors stretched ahead. Could this really be a portal? Inside, the tunnel shimmered mysteriously. Shadows danced along the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo's paws barely touched the ground. Could this world be enchanted? A small creature with glowing wings appeared. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be our guide? The creature led them to a secret garden. Flowers glimmered in every hue. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this magical? Suddenly, sparkling footprints appeared. Bluey gasped. Bingo shouted, "What are those?" Could they be clues leading to treasure? They followed the footprints, jumping over little streams, chasing glowing butterflies, laughing and discovering secrets. Could the magic last forever? A shadow flickered behind a bush. Bluey froze. Bingo whispered, "Who's there?" Dad and Mom looked anxious. Could danger be near? Bluey took a deep breath. She stepped forward courageously. The shadow revealed a playful dragon. Bluey laughed. Bingo hugged her. Could the adventure get even better? As the sun began to set, they returned home. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible day." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical adventure." Bluey wagged her tail happily.